Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Traditional Hakka attire consists of a plain shirt paired with a pair of loose trousers. The cotton and linen outfit is easy to work in, suitable all year round, and also fits the image of the Hakka as a frugal, diligent, and hardworking people.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And with Leo here, we're going to go ahead and get deep into the Hakka culture once again to teach you about what they do and traditionally what they like to wear. That's what I want to ask Leo this time. 因为呢，我们常常都会讲，都跟这个客家文化有关的，都是跟食物有关啊。小弟本身喜欢吃，所以呢，常常都讲食物。但是事实上，我们会讲食衣住行嘛，对不对？所以今天我们跳到衣好了，衣着。
哦，好啊，那我今天就来介绍伞夫。
伞夫就是衣服吗？
衣服。
Okay, that's how you say clothing. All right. So we're gonna have Leo to tell us more about the culture of clothing in the Hakka culture here. 先来聊一下好了，客家人有没有什么特别的这个服装的特色？
客家人的服装哈，因为以前客家人大部分的种田，所以呢，我们的服装有一种特色就是比较宽松，然后呢，我们有一个服装的名称叫做太襟衫。
太襟衫
那裤子呢就叫做水夫條。
水夫條，为什么这两个东西听起来像食物呢？我又开始饿了。等一下，那第一个太襟衫，对不对？
对，大金衫。
大金衫 ，OK， 它是衫类的就对了，哈，就是衣服。OK，that's one term for the clothing that they wear。然后裤子是
水夫條就是大裆裤。
哦，大裆裤哦，你这样讲我就听懂了
你就懂了哈。
Yeah，
你可以把那图像绘画出来了吗？
可以，然后很宽松。对。So they like to wear loose clothing because the Hakka, they usually work in the farm, so they need clothing that is very comfortable so that it won't get too hot. So usually, what are they made of? 通常这个材质呢会用什么样的？
就是用棉的，
棉比较吸汗嘛，
对啊，
比较轻松穿起来哈。棉怎么说呢？
棉
哦，就这么简单，
就对
棉。Okay, so it sounds identical in Mandarin. It's 棉 that is cotton. Let's review some of these terms. Clothing 服装，
伞夫。
Then you have the Hakka shirt, 也就是大金衫。
太襟衫
and the Hakka pants 大裆裤，对不对？
水夫條
and finally made of cotton 棉。So there you have it. That does for today's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰？張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.